welcome to Crafty Yarn Owl with Darla. I'm Darla. How are you doing? I finally finished this. Oh my gosh. I have a tutorial for this poncho, and I'll link that up here, down there, somewhere. Okay, this was the original right here. And I talk about the yarn and all that in that tutorial, so you guys can check that out if you haven't already. So this is it. It was a yarn from Hobie. This was a 3-weight, I believe. I'm not sure. I think I might have did I just do a sample in the tutorial? I might have, with different yarn. I can't remember. But yeah, so this is it. And that same stitch is on the back. And I called it the Gentle Butterfly Poncho. Yeah, so I wanted to know what it looked like, or what it would look like in a super fine one. So I made one using yarn art, and I'll show you in a second. I thought I might need 2 balls and another, like maybe, I don't know, part of another ball might have helped a little to make it longer, but that's okay. I need to block it. That's going to help too. I haven't blocked it. But, okay, the yarn I used was Flowers Moonlight by Yarn Art. And this is a super fine one. What is this stuff? Super fine one, made in Turkey. Color is 3269. It's 53 cotton, 43% pack, which I believe is acrylic, and 4% metallic polyester. So that is the gorgeous, can you see the sparkle? I hope you can see the sparkle. You can see it better in the red, I think. Yeah, oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Gorgeous yarn. It's 260 grams, 9.15 ounces, 1,000 meters, or 1,093.6 yards. That's a lot, but it is a super fine one, but still a lot. Recommended needle, knitting needle is 2.5 millimeter. Recommended hook, crochet hook is a 3 millimeter, and I actually used 3.5, trying to make the yarn go a little further. Yeah, so this is what I had left from the one cake. I just recaked it up. I wasn't sure if there'd be enough to go around 2 more times, because that's what I'd have to do, because this is a 2-row repeat to get this design here. So I don't think it would have been enough. So, yeah. And I had ordered, I thought I ordered another one from Vilrita, and I'll put that yarn haul somewhere here too, for you if you want to check it out if you haven't seen it. But I guess I accidentally ordered the wrong color, and I got another beautiful color, an absolutely gorgeous fall color. So that's in that video, but that's okay. That's okay. So yeah, let's look. I'm so happy to have this. At least, you know, I know I have an end here. But yeah, and I'm like between a medium and a large, I think. I don't know. Although I do wear size 6 jeans. I don't know. Can you believe it? Most of my chub is here though. But yeah, this is it. I mean, what do you guys think? This is how I made it to be worn, with this design in the front and in the back. But I mean, you could also, can I, oh, watch out. Just about tripped over a kitty. I'm going to tip this up. This can also be worn like this, you guys. Can also be worn like that. I mean, I just have a cami underneath, so you can see my cami. Anyway, and then you'll have the design on the arms, right? That looks pretty cute like that too, right? Yeah, so this way, it is certainly, let me back up. It is certainly long, excuse me, long enough. Oh, sorry, had to cough. All right, yeah, so yeah, this is it, all done. So what do you guys think? I just needed to see it in a super fine one. I think it's gorgeous. I think it's gorgeous. Of course, if you guys think it's totally ugly, don't tell me that. Just tell me you don't like it. You know, I appreciate your honest opinion. Yeah. So, just super excited. Uh-oh. Gonna move this. All right. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. And remember, my birthday giveaway is starting next week. I think it's next week. Oh, so 12 days of my birthday. Okay, so I'll see you all later. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you. Bye.